Hello, fine patrons of the screen acting and stage performance scene. It is with great pleasure and confidence I know you will find enjoyment of today's featured play. The actors have been with this theater group for quite a long time and mesh like a well-oiled machine, nay, like they are a well-coordinated dance troupe. In this opus, on this occasion, we found them gathered with one of their number contending with a meal from earlier, which caused some gastrointestinal upset. Without further delay, with your kind indulgences, I now give you the short play, Sounds of a Lady's Room. Do enjoy!
Oh fuck! My poop is coming! Ah! Oh my god! Ew!